naman. Ang yamang kami ng unay, kanyayo, medyo naintindi naman ng konti na Ilocano namin, no? Ang yamang kami ng unay, especially po kay, of course, kay Mayor, binigyan tayo ng chance na to be here. I'm taking this opportunity kasi aside from the event po kanina, then sa Juan Silaya National High School, being the guest of honor speaker po, parang bihira naman kaming pumunta rito. So it's high time na parang to share also kung ano po yung bagong ano namin. Parang I'm into, from dati sa telecommunications, building maintenance, I'm part into a new business. Ito po yung sa beauty products naman. Ito yung para sa atin kasi pambabae. So we are from last year, from September 26 last year, we got the exclusive distributorship of actually it's a group, global leader in stem cell dermatology po ito. Ang pangalan po ng brand is RubyCell. This one po, RubyCell. So, dito sa Pilipinas, what we brought in here are the plant-based stem cell. Ang human stem cells nandiyan lang po sa 3 countries, South Korea, US, and Japan. All other countries na nag-carry po ng Aprozone or yung brand na RubyCell, it's all plant-based. And so, kumbaga, which is very ano po sa atin because humid po dito sa Philippines. And for one, hindi po talaga pwedeng import pa yung mga human stem cells. So, from last year, from September last year, it took us a while for the preparation po na ma-launch dito because of some documentation that we have to go through, kumbaga, as a government mandated po ng mga requirements, like the FDA approved po ng mga registration namin per product. We had the certificate of product registration individually, and kung ano yung nakuha pa lang namin ito po yun, these are all the basic lang po. So siguro, let's start with my konting presentation po para makilala nyo ang company. It's from South Korea, Aprozone Korea. And here in the Philippines, our company is the exclusive distributor all over the country na Aprozone. And I hope magsimula dito yung sa norte natin because aside from pagpapaganda, it's going to be more on paano rin po tayo kikita. So actually, sabi ko nga, ang tinitingnan lang natin dito are like, we are looking for 3 qualities lang naman, like positive person, everyone na gustong kumita, and anyone na gustong lalong gumanda. Yun lang po yun. So anyway, let's watch po yung video ko. Thank you po.
That did not exist in the world. People who know the value of the beginning. The thought of making cosmetics with stem cells. It was not easy to jump into the cosmetics market with an unfamiliar technology. However, while knocking on the door to a world with unique competitiveness and expanding the brand area with excellent technology, in our attempt to challenge, we always had the assurance. The confidence that we gain our customers' trust, and also that we can lead the market. This bold challenge, which began with technology and value that did not exist before, is continuing today by offering a new paradigm. RubyCell provides a professional solution to protect our customers' beauty with an airbrush system, which brought innovation to the cosmetic culture with a spraying method instead of traditional method of applying cosmetic on skin. Sensitive skincare solution for the whole family, Octarock. A naturalistic health functional food, her resume. We provide products of global standards with CGMP certification, a standard of absolute quality, and constantly research to develop new technology and solutions. Effective one-stop system will be more advanced through Kasan CN Tech R&D Center that will be completed in 2020. Completion of full value chain. We are moving towards becoming the #1 global leader. In order to step up as a true global leader who knows the value of sharing, discovering the bigger beginning with the value of the initial establishment, AfroZone.
Welcome aboard to AfroZone's Land Me Your Ears, because in a short while you will be advised of the business opportunity now within your reach that would soon make you all financially stable and secure for life, as well as the existence of that great opportunity for you to retain or regain one's missing personality while with AfroZone's
These positive attributes should be able to transform adversities into opportunities, and few weeks, months, and years from now, we will say that thanks God for AfroZone and to all of you right now, wherein we were able to make a change. This make the AfroZone Philippines start here and to the world.
As you can see, our office is small, but our vision are big. And there's a lot that we're going to tell you more of this during the official launching on May 22. And you are all invited to be part of that event.
AfroZone Philippines is now open for business!
AfroZone Philippines will strive with your support to make 365 Rupicel the most preferred skincare beauty product in the local industry as we promote ageless beauty.
아프로존 필리핀의 발전과 성공을 기원합니다.
We wish Afrozone Philippines continuous growth and great success.
감사합니다.
Thank you very much to Team Afrozone Philippines and your partners who worked hard to produce this existing event today.
Let us seize this moment to create a legacy of beauty, excellence, and empowerment in the Philippines and beyond. And remember, growing old is inevitable, but looking old is a choice. Thank you and God bless.
Good afternoon po, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you po sa introduction.